Fascinating facts about Venus flytraps. 1. Carnivorous plant. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant that feeds on insects and spiders. 2. Snap traps. Its leaves are modified into specialized traps that quickly close when triggered by tiny hairs, capturing prey. 3. Digestion process. The trapped prey is digested by the plant's enzymes, turning it into nutrient-rich prey soup. 4. Limited traps. Each Venus flytrap has a limited number of traps, usually around 4 to 7, which can only close and reopen a few times. 5. Blooming and reproduction. Venus flytraps produce white flowers and small black seeds for reproduction. 6. Endangered status. In the wild, they are considered vulnerable due to habitat destruction and poaching. 7. Popular houseplant. Venus flytraps are popular houseplants, but they require special care. Conclusion. These captivating carnivorous plants are a wonder of nature, so let's protect and appreciate their unique beauty. I hope you like this information about Venus flytrap. Like and share this video with plants and nature lovers. Make sure you subscribe this channel for more informative videos about plants and nature.